Hello YouTube, this is going to be the SimpliSafe home alarm system review, a DIY home alarm system review. So let's get started. Right now you're staring at the keypad and the base station, and this is like one of the best home alarm systems you can ever get, the DIY ones. So we're going to move this keypad out of the way and we're going to talk about this base station. So this is the brains of the system. First off, you got a light ring on the bottom right here that goes all the way around. It says SimpliSafe on the front of it. You can either get this in white or black, or I think it's white or brown. You got a plug right here with a screw when you take it out. The bottom, I'll show you the bottom soon. You got a speaker on top. This tower, if you hold on to the bottom and below the light ring, and then you twist the top part of it to the right, you can slide this off. And then on the inside, this is what the shell looks like. Got the little speaker in there, or the speaker housing, and then you can see through there as well. And then you got the speaker, what's it called? The two circuit boards. One of them is your telephone or internet lines, and one of them is your brains. On the bottom, we take this plug out, and we take a Phillips head screwdriver, put it right there. Hold on. Take this part, you take this little screw out, and you can twist this to the left. This comes off. You got your 4 backup batteries. When you take one out and then you plug it back in.
Welcome to SimpliSafe. Alarm off.
It does whatever whenever you first start it up. Welcome to SimpliSafe. So yeah, and then you also have a button, the reset button. You have to hold it for like 15 or 20 seconds so you can reset the system and default it back to its original stuff. So we're gonna plug this back in. It also has a transformer that you plug into the wall with a little screw. Whenever power goes out, that little red light turns on, a little red ring turns on, and then it goes white when power is restored. Now we're gonna talk about the keypad for it. That was just the main part of the system. So right here is also a required item. These two are the most required items, but other stuff is additional. So you got buttons right here, alarm off, home, away, buttons 1 through 0, menu, and delete. So it's like
Alarm off.
I don't want to set the passcode, so you could hit any of these buttons. So yeah, so it's like here.
Please exit now. Alarm off.
So that's cool. And then you got other functions, like in the menu, you got delete. So it's like if you punch in the passcode, but then after you hit the wrong button, you simply delete that, and then exit it. You just hit this button right here to turn the alarm off. So that's cool. You can't push a button, but that's something really cool about the keypad. You got the sounder right there, batteries in this little drawer right here. Take it out, keypad goes blank, put it back in. Sorry, that's thunder. Does this little startup process. These are buttons as well. Searching for base station, connecting to base station, it says alarm off. You got a panic button on top. Right now I have that set for fire. I'll give that to that a little later. You got 4 directional arrows. So very nice. That's the keypad. We're going to talk about next the motion detector. So move that out of the way. Right here is the motion detector. So it has a really cool design, better than the original motion detector. This is plastic. Feel that it's kind of cheap. This part right here is kind of cheap, but it doesn't really matter. You got your little sensitivity level right here. This has a back plate that you slide onto it, but it's right now up on the wall, so I'm not gonna show you that. Got a little battery right here. Comes with the Duracell ones. So all of this came with Duracell, except for the base station. It came with rechargeable batteries. But we had to put Duracell in there until we got those batteries recharged. So that's nice. That's the motion detector, so it's very, very cool. You got a button on top, like all the other devices. You got your entry sensors, button on top, magnet, door thing, so when you open it, it chimes. You could set that. You got a Duracell battery, same thing as the other one. So very cool. Yeah, we'll do another test. So nice. Talk about a Siren right here. By the way, I have 2 other entry sensors. 1, 2, and 3. So next, this is something you don't need, but it's something really cool to have. This came in a kit. So right here was the flat, or the Phillips head screw. You got 4 screws holding this back in. It's got a button on the top like everything else. So you can also buy additional things for the system, like smoke detectors, water detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, freeze sensors, panic button, remote key. That's where you can arm or disarm the system. I didn't screw it all the way. Come on. Oh well. Oh, there we go. It's this right here. Oh well, but it has Duracell batteries. Right here. So it has Duracell batteries. So it's like you can disconnect it. And then reconnect it. But that's a Siren basically. It's an indoor-outdoor Siren. You can see the 4 rubber O-rings and the screws. Well, oh, they're not O-rings, but this is a indoor-outdoor Siren. So you can place this outdoors, basically. Really nice design, better than the other ones. Basically, all these devices are better than the other original devices from the first gen. So we're going to go into the menu, and I'm going to type in my passcode. System settings, test mode. I already did test mode. Here's devices. Like we got Siren right here. I can do alarm volume. I usually keep that on high. Door chime, entry beeps, exit beep, serial, all that great stuff. You got like keypad right here, panic alarm right here, panic, audible, fire, medical, or disabled. So this button won't do anything if I put it to disable. So we're gonna set that as fire. That's the way I like. Power savings, you can turn it on or off. We're gonna turn that on. Motion, just all that great stuff. Like here, the motion off and home or off and home mode, away mode, alarm, instant trigger. I have that off. Living, it says living room. Entry, front door, off, alarm, instant trigger off. So it's like, that's cool. System settings, you can go like Wi-Fi, chime, volume high, siren volume high, voice prompt high, or voice prompt siren duration 4. I like to have that set for 5. So it's like, so we're gonna change that. Base station light, you can change if this is on or off. I mean, who would want that? Who would want this off? That looks cool to me. Like, that looks really cool. The exit delay home 35. The exit delay for away is 1 minute. I set that for 1 minute because, yeah. Entry delay for home 55 seconds. Entry delay for away is 45 seconds. Test mode, setup and naming. So, like for example, if I wanted to set up the motion detector, like if I remove the device, so I'll do that real quick.
Motion sensor removed.
So, and then after that we go to, what's it called, setup and naming. Follow the mounting instructions, press button on top.
Motion sensor added. Now choose a name.
That's what it'll say right there. Whenever you want to add a device, we set that as living
Motion
room.
sensor named.
So very nice. Press button on top of the device to test. So we're gonna go to done because we're done. Whenever you're done installing, hit next. Activate your monitoring. Setup complete.
Alarm off.
There you go. Now next we're gonna go ahead and put this in home mode. I don't think I have it as.
Alarm off.
So there you go, that's what it does. I have it set for, so blue light comes on the SimpliSafe base station. That's something cool. That's something that's really cool. Let's see something else. 11, 10. It starts counting back really fast. 4, 3, 2, 1.
SimpliSafe on. Home.
Now we are going to go ahead and actually turn system off.
Alarm off.
I gotta see what entry sensor. Hold on. Let me see what entry sensor this is. Garage. So we're gonna set this back to home, and I'll show you what it does. Here, you know what?
Alarm off.
We're not gonna actually demonstrate that, but the siren will sound in the entry delay. But that was the SimpliSafe home alarm system review. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment, and like the video. And I guess have a great day.